Welcome to the new series, One Concept, One Example. And in this series, we will be discussing every time one new concept in computer science along with one example. So as far as this first episode is concerned, we will check for the concept of what is algorithm. Algorithm, you can say, is a step-by-step procedure, and this procedure is used in order to solve a given problem. So whenever you write a algorithm, then it is necessary that it should be clear. It should consist of finite number of steps, and also all the steps must be logical in order to solve a problem. You can say that algorithm is independent of any programming language. So once you write the algorithm, then it is possible for you that you can convert this algorithm into program by using a programming language. So one can say that algorithm is just nothing but a logical thinking of solving a problem. So why do we need the algorithm? Because algorithms are written to solve the problem systematically. And whenever we write the appropriate algorithm, then it will avoid the confusion and it will improve the efficiency of solution to the problem. So good algorithm will always lead to the good programs. So programs cannot be built without algorithms. So one has to write the algorithm first and then one can go for writing the program. So every algorithm must have certain characteristics such as it must have some input, it must have some output, there must be the finiteness within the algorithm, there must be definiteness in each and every step of the algorithm, and the algorithm must be effective to solve the problem. So every algorithm has certain input which is processed so that we can get the output. So one can say that these are the characteristics that are associated with the algorithm. Say for example, we will see our day-to-day life example of making a cup of tea. In the step 1, we will take the water in a pan. In the step 2, we'll boil the water. In the step 3, we will add the tea and sugar. In the step 4, we will add the required milk. And in the step 5, we will boil it and then we will serve it. So these are the 5 steps that are required in order to make a cup of tea. So when we write such steps, then that becomes an algorithm. Steps are clear and they are in specific order. The task is being completed in the finite number of steps. And you will find that the same steps will always give the same result. So when these properties are satisfied, one can say that this is the algorithm. So common mistake regarding the algorithm is that people write vague steps. So writing vague step is a mistake, or sometimes you miss the input and output. This is also a mistake. Every algorithm must have some input and output. And the clarity is very essential in writing the algorithms. So one can say that algorithm is the foundation of the programming. So before you actually start coding, it is necessary for you to think about the problem and write the logical steps to solve the problem. And then you have to code it later. So always think of logic before the language. So this is a one concept, one example series. Hopefully you will like it and you can subscribe it. Thank you.